Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his address to the nation in the 64th edition of his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat on Sunday, said that India's fight against coronavirus is people-driven. Here are the highlights from Prime Minister Modi's Mann Ki Baat. Every citizen is a soldier of the unprecedented battle India is fighting against COVID-19. Our fight is people-driven. Talis, diyas, Mombatti gave birth to an emotion that has driven Indians to help each other, and the whole world is a witness to this. We are thankful to the farmers who are toiling hard, landlords who waived off rents, people who donated their prize money and pension to PM Cares Fund. Actions such as these give India the strength to fight the pandemic. A digital platform, covidwarriors.gov.in, has connected all COVID-19 warriors who are volunteering to help the needy. I request you to connect to this platform and do your bit. Every battle teaches us something, and gives us new opportunities. This battle has given birth to new scientific and technological temperaments. Every inventor is working on something that could help us during these times. I am also thankful to the state governments, officials of aviation sector, railway, and police for going out of their ways to ensure the delivery of essentials to the needy. Money is being directly transferred through Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana to the accounts of the poor. All this is possible due to the hard work of banking sector employees. We are learning to appreciate all those who make our daily lives easier. People who clean our house, collect garbage, vegetable vendors, etc. are being recognized for their services, and photos of people showering flowers on them have also reached me. It is in India's culture to help the needy. We have provided essential drugs to many countries during this tough time, and all countries are thanking the people of India for this. I feel proud when world leaders call me and say, "Thank you, India." India's yoga and Ayurveda are also being lauded overseas. We should recognize the potential of Ayurveda and work on evidence-based researches so that the world too sees it for the potential it has. Wearing masks and covering one's face is the new norm and will soon become a symbol of a civilized society. We will also have to leave behind the habit of spitting at public places. This will help us fight coronavirus and improve our overall hygiene. Today is Akshaya Tritiya, and Akshay means that which can never be destroyed. Let us take the pledge of making our earth Akshay. It is also the month of Ramzan. Let us stay indoors and follow social distancing and work towards improving the situation so that we can celebrate Eid with our loved ones in a proper manner. If COVID-19 has not reached our offices or areas yet, it does not mean it will never. Let us make an example out of ourselves and learn from others' mistakes. Our ancestors have taught us that one should never underestimate a dying fire, death, and disease. We need to cure ourselves fully. We cannot afford any carelessness.